Hi guys, today we'll be touching on the trophy worksheet using Google Sketchup 8. My interface is slightly different. I'm using Windows 8 Pro, so for your case wise you're using Windows 7 or Windows XP at home. If let's say you're doing that, just go to start program, start button, go to programs, then look for your Google Sketchup 8. It's a free program which you can install. Okay, let me just load my Google Sketchup 8. Okay, just pardon me for my voice because I'm not feeling really well because of my flu. Okay, just choose a template, choose simpler templates as meters. Let's start using it. Okay, so you'll be seeing this interface. Just remove this object away. Okay, now we are going to do the base. As you know, the trophy has a trophy base, trophy center, and a trophy top. So they are supposed to be put on together, base at the bottom, followed by trophy center is supposed to be at the center, while the trophy top is supposed to be at the top. So we are going to do the trophy base now. So now I'm going to draw the square base, which is of 8 cm by 8 cm. So I choose the rectangle tool, just in case. Go to my axis, which is the origin. Then from here I'll draw the 0.8 by 0.8 meters. Wait, let me see. I think the this toolbar is blocking you. Let me just remove this. Okay, I should be able to see. Okay, now I'm going to draw the square, 0.8 by 0.8. 0.08 meters. So you draw this 8 cm by 8 cm square base. Since it's small, you can use the zoom extends, so we'll expand as much as possible for you to see easier. Just rotate it up slightly, scroll out to zoom out. Okay, you can use the orbit tool and rotate, and at the same time if you hold shift bar and drag the mouse up or down, you can pan. It's the same tool as this pan. Pan tool is like move up and down rather than do a rotation. So you can use orbit for orbiting, at the same time press shift to pan. Okay, now we are going to do the extrusion. Extrude 13 centimeters, right? 0.13 meters. So we would have extruded. Now you're supposed to do the chamfer or the top. So you're supposed to have 1 centimeter from this point to here, while another 1 centimeter from here to here. Then you're supposed to draw a triangle. So you can use the measurement tool to draw the 1 centimeter here, another 1 centimeter here. Then you draw the chamfer. Okay, there are many ways to use the follow me tool. Okay, let me just show you the basic on how to do the basic chamfer. You can choose the follow me tool, select the interface you want to chamfer, then you can follow up through this way. This is the basic way to do, but there is another way to do it too. Control C to undo. I'm going to do this again another way. Let's say now you want to choose this one. This is the so-called path which you want to follow through to the chamfer, right? So you select the path first using the select tool. You select the plane, or rather the place where you want to do the chamfer along. Then you select this follow me tool, press this interface. Press this triangle. Immediately you don't need to even follow around. What it does is automatically it knows that you are going to use that first selection to go around. Then select the chamfer tool, select the follow me tool, select the triangle, you will automatically do the chamfer for you. Okay, so this is the trophy base. So I'm going to save it as trophy base. File save as. Let me just create a new folder. save it as trophy base. Let's say I've done this. Okay, you can remove all the unnecessary objects like measurement tool which have created a marker, so just select them and delete. Next, save and create a new one. We are going to do the trophy center right now. For the trophy center, you have to start from the front if possible. Okay, I don't like to see it this way. Let me just reopen the whole thing. Sketchup. Okay, let's choose the simple template meters and remove this item away. Go to camera, standard views, front. So you see my axis aligned along the green and the blue sky. Okay, now I'm going to draw the trophy center. So okay, let's say I'm going to do it from here just like that. Let's do the circle. It's supposed to be 0.04 centimeters, 0.04 meters, right? So okay, let's go to zoom extent. I'm going to draw the top part of it. So there are two rectangles with a small triangle there. So I can use the measurement tool, measure it until 0.036. Then you're supposed to do the rectangle. Okay, if you have done something wrong, just press Ctrl Z. Ctrl Z to undo. So you can use the pencil tool to draw the lines quickly. So okay, let's draw another rectangle on top, which is 4 centimeters. So you can see on the bottom right corner is 0.04 meters. You can do estimation. Otherwise, if you want real accurate measurement, you can type in after erasing after backspace the values away. Let's say 0.04 meters. Then from here 0.01 and draw this line. Next, you have to know which portion is the triangle end from here to here, right? So you can do the marker tool, I mean the measurement tool from here. So 0.01 meters. So we have this marker here. Draw this line. Erase all the unnecessary components away, such as the line. For me, because I'm using the Mac laptop with Windows operating system, so I do not have the delete key. I only have the backspace key. So that's why I'm right clicking and then press erase button. So for you, should not be that way. You can just press the delete button to delete the line away. You don't need to right click and then press erase. Okay, so we have done the top part. You are supposed to do the bottom part right now. So from here to here, 0.036 meters. Draw the marker already. From here, okay. Same thing, 4 centimeters by 1 centimeters rectangle. Then you're supposed to draw the triangle, right? Same thing. delete the unnecessary components away. Just be careful on the mouse movement. Okay, now this is done. On the left side there is one redundant circle which I want to remove, so select that, but now I can't select because there's virtually, this line is actually the axis, so don't get confused with another the diagram line or the picture line. So what you can do to separate this interface, right, you can draw a middle line using the pencil tool. So now you can select the left and the right. So select this left panel, the left side of it, and delete, erase, delete away. So now you have this basic shape. On the bottom side, because you're going to do a revolve so that you can look like 3D, we are going to use the bottom part to draw the circle. So use the object tool to go to the bottom part, use the use the circle tool, go to the end point, then draw the circle. Once this is done, zoom out. Okay, as just now I told you, there are two ways to do the revolve and the chamfer, right? So you can do the same way. I prefer to do this way. Seriously, it makes my life much easier. Select the path which you want the object to revolve around. By using the select mouse tool and then select the shape or the path. Then you press this follow me tool and press the shape which you want to revolve. It's done. So let me show you the difference when I try to do it the normal way. Usually people would do the selection of this, then you try to move around, and then something gets in the way, and then you can't really follow up the shape well. Then you have to press escape and then try to do again and again and again. And even the time I taught you how to use the alternate to go around this thing. So there are various methods, but I think this is the most efficient way. Select this path, press the follow me tool, click, it's done. So you save this as now you can see all the games I play. Okay, go over to SketchUp, your folder, just save it as Trophy Center. And it's done. Next one, you're going to do the trophy top. So what I'm going to do is, on the trophy top, I'm just going to put a small dome. Dome is something like a half sphere. This is a sphere, right? I'm just going to put a half sphere on top. So for me, it's going to be quite simple. For your case wise, because you are very creative, you can think of your own design. I leave it up to you. So just as a keynote, if you see this part in your worksheet, the radius of this circle is 4 centimeters. So I want my dome directly lying on the center of this trophy center. So but on top of it lah. So I'm going to do this way. Okay, let me just go over to the top view, because I'm going to draw a circle so that it can directly lie on the center of the top. At the center of the trophy center. It's supposed to be 4 centimeter radius, 0.04 meters. Go to the zoom extent. From here, I'm going to draw another circle, but I want to have a front view right now. So this to be 0.03 meters. Let me orbit. So it will look like this shape. I want it to be in a dome form. When I want to create a dome form, I do not want the bottom part to create a dome too. So what I can do, I just create a line to separate them. I have to delete this half circle away. I'm going to revolve around it, right? So I select this face first, select the follow me tool, press this, I'm done. Perfectly formed dome. I'm going to save this as trophy top. Now I'm going to combine all trophy base, trophy center and trophy top together. So you press new. Let's import. Okay, you press file, import trophy base first. Let's put it as the origin. Let's zoom out a bit. I'm going to put the trophy center right now. It may look very easy to just move it, but in fact, I believe this is the most challenging portion, apart from all the other measurements. How to place this object directly at the center of this trophy base. I took quite a while to learn it, so I hope this, whatever I'm teaching you right now, is going to reduce much of your hassle. What you can do, you have to be really precise on the selection of your edge to move. This is what I'm going to do right now. Select this move button. I will move over to the edge of this trophy center. Okay, let me just zoom over here. See, the program is smart enough to know which area you want to select at. So it will try to nudge, or rather stick to that portion intelligently. So let's say I want to move this point over here. See, you will try to match the edge to the object you want. Now it's almost at the center. Let's say now let me just create some problems for myself so that you can see what kind of problems I faced, so you won't encounter the same things again. Let's say now I'm here. I want to move it to the top. What I did previously is I just tried to move it and then try to put it somewhere here, and then have to mess up the whole view, go to the front, then move it over here and try to estimate. So you do not need to do this way. Just make sure that you can move according from edge to edge, which the program can provide for you. Let's say now from this view, you can actually align it quickly. Let me do it again. From this center, I have to move it to this place. See, it sticks just nicely. See, it's almost at the center, but I want it now to be at the top part of the chamfer. So what I can do, you select that point again, the center point, and move it up. Let's see now whether it's at the center. Yeah, it's at the center right now. There. And it's lying just nice at the top of the trophy base. Okay, last but not least, I'm going to put it on, put the trophy top on the top of the trophy center. That's quite a mouthful. No man. I'm going to put this one trophy top. Let me just orbit a bit so that it's much more easier to see. Drag it, put on top. If it's slightly out of edge, you can see it's slightly out of edge, right? So let me just rotate it over to this side. Select this mouse, move to, press it, shift it here, press it and shift it. Okay, that's done. So you got this perfect trophy over here. You can actually choose to color it if you want. You can choose to select this fill tool and select the colors. You can select the materials also. You can put metal base according to your liking. So if you want to really make different colors for different parts of the trophy, you can make sure you can explode it, because if you import, right, all of the objects are grouped together, so you make them explode so that each of the shape is of a different item. So let's say I want to make it red over here. Then white top. Let's say I select white. And it's done. Let me just color this one. And there you have it. Thanks for watching this lesson. I see you guys next time. Bye.